Hello friends, in today's video we will be discussing about arrays in C++. What are arrays? Arrays, collection of variables. Yes, uh, just to tell you what are the arrays, we can say that arrays are the collection of variables. Let's implement them in C++. First of all, launch your IDE. I will use dev C++, create a source file, and then include necessary header file and its IO stream. Then we say using namespace std, and then we get into main function. After getting in main function, here it's the place where we will declare an array. Okay, let's see how we can declare an array. Syntax of declaring an array is data type, then array name, and then square brackets. Inside square brackets you have to write the size of the array. It could be anything, and then a semicolon at the end of statement. Okay, let's implement in C++. Here let's declare an array of size 10, and we will store some integers in that array. So we will use the data type int. Here you can see, first of all we have to write the data type, then array name, and then size. So I will do the same int, then I will use the name ages, and then as I said, I want 10 variables, so I will write 10 inside the square brackets. Okay, how we can access these 10 variables separately? Because each memory location will have a different value. How we can give a different value at different memory location? For that we have to just write the array name, and then inside square brackets we have to specify the index location. Yes, just I used the word index location. The number inside the square brackets is called the index. So as I have written 0 here, so it means the first ever memory location of this array. Let's go to MS Paint and let me draw a diagram for an array. So as it is size 10, okay, and then I will take lines, divide it into 10 equal parts, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Int name and the inside square brackets size of the array, and then a semicolon. Here it is the index location 0. Array starts from 0, then 1, 2, 3 and up to 9. One value less than the upper limit. So it's a 0th location. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It will run from 0 to 9. Suppose I want to save the age here 18. What I will do is just go in my main function and I will write array name, whatever the name of array is, and then index location, and whatever value you want to store, you have to write the value at the right side of the assignment operator. I want to store here 18. So when I will write this statement, when control will reach here, what control will do is store 18 at this memory, and then I want to store a value here, 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 and I will repeat the same steps. Here I can store any other value, 19, or it could be 325, any arbitrary value, and I will repeat this step. What will vary is just the index location and the value you want to store at this index location. So it could be 625 and this value could be 365, 326. So here it is 325, 326, 625, and up to so on, any value. So let's get into our main function. What we will do is write the array name and then inside square brackets the index location. As you know, it starts from 0 and runs until 1 less than the size of the array. Size of the array is 10. Then this array will run from 0 to 9. Okay, so I want to store here 18. In next I want to 15, then I want to store 26, and let me copy this statement so I don't have to write again and again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can use up to 10. If you don't want to use all the index locations, you can leave all other index locations as blank, but it will be just waste of memory when you do this in your program. So let's print the values at these index locations by just writing the name of the array at and index location. So I wanna print the value at 0. Okay, it's ages, so we have to write ages instead of age. Okay, here as well. Okay, now let's execute and check what happens. Okay, you can see our program have printed 18. Let's see what was stored in at 0th index location, and it was 18. Okay, our program did work well. We can go further. Let's check at index location 4. So let's compile and execute. Okay, here you can see 26, and at index location 4 we have stored 26. Okay, that did work well as well. We have another way to go with arrays, and it's loop, and it's much easier than this way, but we will talk about arrays with loop in our next video. You can find the link of that video in description.
Subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Turn on notifications so you never miss any of my videos. See you in my upcoming videos. Bye.